the 2024 Technician Appreciation Week. It's not just this week that we want to appreciate our technicians, it's all year long, but we give special recognition this week. It's your hard work, dedication, and expertise that keeps our customers on the roll, and we really appreciate you. All of you will be receiving this Technician Appreciation backpack this week, logoed with. Right now we're gonna draw, we have 2 Blackstone Grills we're giving away every day, and we're gonna draw 2 names out of the bucket now, and let's see who wins. We'll give a little spin here. Down in there. First one we have is Omar Henriquez out of Hensley, Phoenix, Arizona. Congratulations on your Blackstone Grill. Close that up, give it another good spin. Dig in deep. And we have Jeremy Parr out of our Gainesville, Georgia location for the second grill today. Congratulations on winning the Blackstone Grills. And we appreciate everything that our technicians do. I appreciate it. It's what you guys do on a daily basis, coming in, opening the doors, and keeping our customers rolling that makes AIM a great company and the most loved workplace. Thank you.